students, hope you all are fine and studying well at your home with the help of our video lessons. So we are on chapter 2. In our previous video, I told you about the square number, square root. In this video, we will discuss about the square root of decimals and cube root. So first we will do exercise 2.5. So let's do exercise 2.5. Here is exercise 2.5 and I'll give you question number first A and second A. First A is decimal, so I'll give you in two methods, square root of decimals and square root of fraction. Then question number 2A. So let's do it. So first question is 0.36. First I'm going to solve it by division method. So according to division method, this number and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, that is 0. The next number, because here is decimal, so we will put a decimal here and these 36 will be here. Now, so 6 is 36, 0, 0, that is 12. So what is the answer? 06 square is equals to 0.36. That is the first method. Now you can do it by second method. 0 upon 36. When we remove the decimal, it will be 36 upon 100. So square root of 36 by prime factorization method, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. 2 single, 2. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6. It means 6 here, and for 100 prime factorization, 2, 50, 2, 25, 5, 5. So 2 into 5 is equals to 10. 6 upon 10. And when we convert it into decimal, it will be 0.6. The answer will be same. So let's do our second question. This is the second question. Square root correct two decimal places. It means we need to find out the square root of 2. But after decimal, there will be only 2 digits. So 2 here, 1 time, 1 is here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 is here and 2 is here. So put a decimal here and double 0. Now 24 fours are 4 times. It is 96. That is 4, 0, 0, 8, 2. Put double 0 again here. 1 time. 2, 8, 1. 10 minus 1, 9. That is 1. That is 1. 1 times. So, answer is square root of 2 is equals to 1.41. 1.41. In your book, the answer is given incorrect. The answer is given 1.44, but that is misprint. The correct answer is 1.41. So let's do our next topic, that is cube number. The next topic is cube number. Cube number, definition of cube number. When a number is used in multiplication in 3 times, that is called cube number. For example, 1, I'm going to multiply it 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1. We can call it 1 raised to the power 3 is equals to 1. 2 into 2 into 2, it called 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 cube. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 cube. 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. 4 into 4 into 4. 5 into 5 into 5. 4 cube. 5 cube. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. 5 fives are 25. 25 fives are 125. These are called cube number. And by this number, if we need to find out this number, which number cube root is 125, so we need to use prime factorization method. Now let's do our next exercise 2.6. Here is exercise 2.6. In this exercise, I'll give you question number first A and question number 2. You can see the table question number 4. With the help of question number 2, you can complete this table. So next I'll give you question number 5. So let's do 2.6. Now we are going to start exercise 2.6. Find the cube of question number A, 14. Cube of 14 means 14 to the power 3 or 14 cube. It means 14 into 14 into 14. 14 multiplied by 3 times. So 14 into 14, 4 fours are 16, 1, 4 ones are 4 and 1, 5, 4, 1, 6, 9, 1. So 14 into 14 is equals to 196. Now 196 multiplied by 14, 6 fours are 24. 9 fours are 36 and 2 38. 4 ones are 4 and 3 7. 6 9 1. 4 8 6 14 4 9 and 7 16 and 1 17 and 1 2. So 14 into 14 into 14. The answer is 2744. Now question number 2 is, question number 2 is find the smallest number by which 968 multiplied to make it perfect cube. So which is the smallest number which multiplied by 968? It can be a perfect cube. So find out the prime factorization of 968. Two fours are 8, 2 eights are 16, 4. 2 twos are 4, 4, 2 twos are 4, 2, 1, 2, 1. It will be divided by 11, 11, 1. So here you can see 2 is 3 times here, but 11 is only 2 times here. 968 equals to 3 times 2 and 2 times 11. Here 11 is not in group of triplets. It means 11 is not 3 times. So multiplied both sides by 11. 968 multiplied by 11. 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. When we multiply this number, it will be 10648. 2 cube, 11 cube. So when we remove this, We have taken only 1 time 2 and 11. That is 11 twos are 22. When we multiply 22 and 9, 6, 8, it will be a perfect cube. Let's do our next question. Equals to 22. It means 11 is the smallest number which is multiplied with 9, 6, 8. It gives a perfect cube, that is 10648. Your answer is 11. Let's do. Now fifth question is side of cube is given 27.6 centimeter. We need to find out the volume. So volume of cube, there is a formula, equals to side into side into side. 27.6 into 27.6. First I am going to multiply these two. Six six are 36. 6 here. 5. 16. 0. 6 sevens are 42. 2. 3. 19. 6 twos are 12. 2. 14 and 1 15. 5. 2 twos are 4 and 1 5. 6. 5 and 2 7. 6 and 3 9. 9 and 2 11. 7 decimal 6. Now 6 6 are 36. 6 here. That is 5. 0. 7. 45. 6 7 6 are 42. 2 here and 4. 53. 3 here and 5. 7 and 5 12. 2. 3. 6 twos are 12. 5. 3. 2. 15. 6. 5 and 2 7. 5. 4. 2. 'So volume of cube equals to 2102.4 decimal 576 centimeter cube. That is. Let's do our next exercise 2.7. This is our last exercise of chapter 2. So in this exercise I am giving you question number 1A and question number 2. This is our exercise 2.7. First question, find the cube root of 7 to 9. So cube root is denoted for this prime factorization. Seven to 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are, and 3 threes are. Again 3, 8, again 3, 27, 3, 9, 3. So cube root of 729 equals to cube root 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 729 3. When we remove this one, this cube will be also removed. So 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. It means 9 cube equals to 7 to 9. Answer. This is the second question of 2.7. Volume of cube is given 64 millimeter cube and we need to find out the side. So side equals to 64. Prime factorization 64 2 32 16 8 2 4 2. So 2 3 times and 2 3 times. 3 2 into 2 into 2 6 times 2 cube 2 cube into 2 cube. When we remove this under root cube, only 2 and 2 will come here. So 2 2s are 4 millimeter. Side of cube equals to 4 millimeter. Here we have completed chapter 2. We will meet with our next chapter. Till then, goodbye and take care.